guys! So, welcome back to my channel. Let's just put this aside. I know that most of the videos right now for Father's Day is all the same look, just because I'm not gonna tell a lie here. This is just like one day I filmed this, just because there's so many gift ideas and I don't want them to be all in just one video because it'll be too lengthy. So I'm just doing them in small videos. So they're literally done on the same day. I think in the same hour as well. So yeah, forgive me for that. But of course, on the other times, I will try to do it on a different day, or maybe a look different. So yeah. So now the first one is nice perfume. Yes, a nice perfume. I think this will be something that's really, really important for even men, because they go out, and don't really have this like specific kind of scent. Then get them a signature scent, or if they really like this specific perfume, but they don't really like buying it for them, then get it for them. I think they'll appreciate it, and of course, they'll smell good, and you'll like smelling them. Then the next one is a leather bag. I think men need one leather bag. Or if they don't really like a leather bag, then think of something that's a bit more structured that they could bring for the office. If they don't want a small leather bag, get them a work leather bag, like maybe a backpack or a laptop bag. I think they're gonna appreciate it because they'll be able to use it, and it's also reminding you of them. So that is very important. Then the next one is loafers. That's why I'm suggesting this, because I think a lot of men need to try this trend. It's not only just a trend, it's going to be classic for any kind of occasion. And whether you go Sundays or you're going out in the mall, loafers are really nice. And right now there's a lot of items on sale in the department store in SM, whether it's W Brown, whether it's Milanos. Milanos, they have actually comfortable loafers, but you have to look into them, of course, just to make sure that they're actually really, really nice. And also there is one, I forgot, Mario, I think Mario Odonis. I'm not sure on that, don't quote me on that. I would try, if I have the picture, I will try to show you the picture of it. But they really have nice classic loafers, and I'm sure a brown one would be nice to add to their kind of collection. And yeah, I think they'll really appreciate it. Now the next one is continues to shoes, is boots. Now boots are really, really nice, and I think a guy would appreciate it to have like leather boots. And I think it's really, really nice and stylish. Also, it will upgrade their kind of style, or their closet, or their kind of way when they go out. I think it would be a nice option also for them. Even when you go to work, I think nice boots are going to look good. And I think your father would appreciate something that's different. Now, if your father doesn't, I think it's like a shoe kind of gift collection, but your father doesn't like whether it's boots, whether it's loafers, try to get them a nice sneakers. Now, it depends on, of course, you have to think about this and customize it. What type of sneakers your dad or father or husband really likes. If they don't like the what is bright color sneakers, try giving them like a classic, like classic white sneakers. And because they're going to be able to use it, it's very, very easy to pair it with. Try checking Payless. Payless has a lot of sneaker options right now, especially for men, which is unfair because for women there's just like a few. But yes, I would suggest to get them sneakers. That's why I'm also suggesting a lot of shoes lately, especially on this topic of like gift giving for your dad, because I'm sure your dad has a lot of worn out shoes, or shoes that they don't like to like get shoes, and especially for themselves. Then try to get them some so they can upgrade it, and they'll be able to use it also on a daily basis, because men like wearing shoes, so why not give them some. And then the final one, this one is crazy, but also, like I said, these are just choices and customizable. Get your dad or your father or your husband a tool kit. Maybe just the basic toolkit, or if they have this toolkit that they're eyeing, check those out, because I'm sure they're going to appreciate it. There's a lot of collections right now in Ace that I think is going to be worth it. And if your husband is not the type of person that is ready for the heavy duty ones, there's so many items or so many kits in Shopee that are more affordable that your husband could just try out. Or if they have this like beautiful hammer that they really, really like in Ace Hardware or any hardware store, try to get that. I'm sure they're going to be happy to get it. Like, maybe use like a flower as a bouquet. You know that? Okay, so yeah. Oh, that's about it for now. Those are simple tips, and that actually concludes my mini series of Father's Day gifts. I know in the Mother's Day I didn't get them a lot, but just because in Mother's Day have like classic kind of gifts, and maybe I'll upgrade them more in the future. But yeah, to fathers, there's so many things that are mostly utilities that you could give them that they'll appreciate so much, because sometimes most men are actually more on the practical side, like they don't want something that's mainly for just like aesthetic purposes. So yeah, I would suggest for you guys to get that. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like the other videos that I created. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the comment section and the bell, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.